up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, I almost spoke too soon before I even got into the intro, but I think these might be the best clip-ins that I have rocked in a very long time. Okay, it is the thickness of it, it's the luster of the hair, it's the texture and the way that my natural hair blended in with these clip-ins. Curls Queen, y'all definitely did that. Before I get into the actual review of this hair, I mean, y'all see it, but I want y'all to see how quick and easy it was for me to install these clip-ins. I'm telling you, the clip-ins were in less than 10 minutes. Actually, instead of giving y'all all of the details, let's jump right into the install, and I promise I'm gonna show you there, and then after that, we're gonna get into the full review of these clip-ins, so stay tuned. All right, so starting with the unboxing of this hair is going to be from Curls Queen. As you can tell, they definitely packed a lot of goodies inside of my package. A brush, I have a silk bonnet, as well as some lashes and all of these other goodies. These are going to be the clip-ins. The ones I'm rocking is going to be their Water Jerry Curl. This is the ultra full clip-in, so it does come in 10 pieces. I'll show you here exactly what the clip-in pieces look like. Now, I went ahead and left a little bit of leave-out out. It's really just up to you and what you would prefer. To me, minimum leave-out is what I'm going for, and then my hair is braided straight back. I'm a part of Braiding University, so don't talk about my braids, okay? Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and put the clip-in pieces on. What I'm really doing is just sticking them a little bit on my braids, and then I'm clipping them closed. Literally just a little bit, because I don't like for the clips to be too tight, because I don't want to cause any extra tension on my hair. So I just go starting from the back, and I work my way all the way around. It's really just easy, simple. One thing I do want you to pay attention to is the fact that this hair is already thick, so you don't want to bunch your clip-in pieces too tightly packed on each other. And then you'll see me move along to the front, and I'm telling you, I had just enough hair. And if you need to, you can adjust the clip-ins to your liking. It's really just up to you how you would like the spacing to be. But I'm telling you that with the ultra full pack that I received from them, the hair is already double wefted, so it was extremely thick and full for a complete look with just using one pack. So I'm just going to stop rambling, show you how I put these in and how I blended my natural hair, and then we're going to come back for a full review of this look. I did forget to mention that these are in 16 inches. So the inch that I received is in 16 inches, and it's 10 pieces per pack. I use one pack because I know somebody else gonna ask me. All you need is one, sis. I'm telling you.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore.
All right, popping back on the screen, here I am in all of its glory. Y'all, did you see how quick I was able to put these clip-ins in? So first of all, I do want to say, when it comes to clip-ins, there's a lot of different ways that you can wear them. I wanted to braid my hair down. By doing this, typically when I wear my clip-ins, I like to have my hair braided down because that serves as a full protective style look for me. Personally, for me, when my hands are out of my head, my hair grows the most. I'm able to, you know, have it braided down. I use a little bit of oil in between different styles, and I usually would just keep my cornrows in for about 4, 5, 6 weeks, no more than 6 weeks. And then I go ahead and wash my hair out. Now y'all saw that I am a part of Struggle Braiding University, so my braids were not up to par, but that just further lets you know that you do not have to have these super perfect small braids for you to achieve this look. You just want to make sure your hair is protected, moisturized, all of that good stuff under styles like this. Now I did leave a little bit of leave out with this style. It's really just up to you if you would like to leave a little bit or more of your leave out just to go ahead and blend it in with this style. I don't think you'll have any issues if you are rocking this style with type 4 hair like myself and you have a lot more of your hair left out. I went ahead and I inserted all 10 of the clips. All of the hair that they gave me, as you can see, it was enough. Now in between, I did have a lot of spacing. This is thick hair anyway, so you don't really have to put them really close together because it's going to fill the look. You can't see anything in between because of the thickness and the volume of the hair. So don't think that you have to stack the clip-ins on top of each other because you do not. I definitely spaced them in between each one, as you already saw with me installing this hair. Now I didn't leave any of my edges out. I did just swoop my little baby hairs in the front, and then of course this leave out that I have right here, I just went ahead and blended that. Y'all, I did use a little bit of my foaming moves and put it on this hair, but as I was putting it on the hair, I thought to myself, this hair is already gorgeous. Do not run your hands through it more than you need to. So what I did was I just went ahead and just patted that in, and y'all, this is the natural curl pattern coming straight out of the pack. I didn't run my hands through it. I did not brush it. I didn't comb it. I wanted to showcase this hair just like it was because it is absolutely gorgeous. Blended right in with my natural hair texture. Didn't have to do too much. Just fluffed it out just a little bit so we can go ahead and get it as natural looking as possible. I did use some, I almost said Eco Styler gel, but this is the Extreme Pro Gel. Wetline Extreme Gel, and this is alcohol free. I've been loving this lately because it does not leave my hair like how Eco Styler Gel used to. So I am happy that somebody put me onto this. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it. They actually have this everywhere. I think I was in Walgreens, CVS, and I saw it in there. I was actually really surprised. But any of your local beauty supply stores, Target, Walmart, CVS, all of that, they have that there, and you should get you a big bottle of it, and a little bit does go a long way. And because it's alcohol free, it is more so water based, so definitely just keep that in mind. Y'all, I'm in love with these clip-ins. I am in love. I think it's the curl pattern. This curl pattern is gorgeous. But this is definitely going to be a style that you definitely want to try, especially this curl pattern, y'all. It's really the texture, it's the length, it's the way that it frames my face. Didn't have to cut it at all. I do think that when I ran my hands through it on accident, I had like a straggly little piece, and I went ahead and just clipped that off. But other than that, there's no cutting to it. This is the length of the hair and the way that it came. And I'm just going to spin around to the back so y'all can see what we are working with. Has a lot of body, has a lot of volume to it. It's everything. I love these clip-ins. These are definitely something that I'm gonna keep. It's something that, to me, even though it's not like a throw it on and go wig, these are some throw it on and go clip-ins because it doesn't take much. Y'all already know how I do. I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all probably see me keep looking down, but that's because it's a mirror right here, and I'm telling you, like, yes, your girl, it's feeling herself. I love it. Love how natural this is.